Learn English practice.
Anna's big day.
Anna is a quiet girl. She likes to read books. But Anna wants to be brave. She wants to talk to new people. One day, she sees a poster. It is for a school event. It is a talent show.
Do you want to take part in it?
The poster asks. Anna is happy. But she is sad, too. What can she do? She thinks. She can make a cake. Is that useful for a show? Maybe. She cannot sing. She cannot dance. That is useless. Her friend Leo is very helpful. He says,
Make a cake on the stage. It is a good idea.
Anna thinks it is a helpful idea. She says,
Yes, I will do it.
She practices at home. Her family is helpful. They eat her cakes. The big day is here. The event is in the school hall. It is a big competition. Many people are there. Anna is nervous. She goes on the stage. She makes a cake. She puts in flour, eggs, and sugar. She puts it in an oven on the stage. Soon, a good smell is everywhere. The people like it. They clap. Anna does not win the competition. A boy with a guitar wins. But Anna is happy. She did it. She was in the event.
Match the words with their definitions.
Want to take part in, event, useful, useless, helpful, competition.
A game or a test where people try to win.
Competition.
To have a wish or a plan to do something.
Want to.
Something that helps you do a job. It is good to have.
Useful.
To do an activity with other people.
Take part in.
A special thing that happens, like a party, a show, or a game.
Event.
Something that does not help you. It does not work well.
Useless.
A person or thing that makes a job easier for you. It gives help.
Helpful.
Excellent work. Every new word is a step towards fluency. Ready for the next challenge? Explore more videos to boost your vocabulary and sharpen your listening skills.